How to uninstall Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the bottom, you can see this uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before removing the app, make sure you have your user ID and password saved for later, because if you reinstall it, you might need it in future. So after saving them all, simply tap on this OK button. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.